What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark and welcome back to some Animal Crossing. Welcome to day 21, I think. Yeah, the 21st. I still have not fixed the clock, but who gives a fuck about that? Nintendo in my asshole. Yeah, I am. I'm fine. It's actually 2:05, but that's fine. Time is irrelevant. Time is extremely irrelevant. So apparently yesterday, there's issues aplenty when making videos. Ammonite. Oh, fuck that. So yeah, there are issues on the damn Kindle. There are plenty of issues, so I'm afraid to make videos now. Well, go back to my... Fuck it. What are you talking about? What are you talking about special item things? Yeah! 6,700. Go, go, go! More money! It's probably warmer in this game than it is in reality. It's gonna get really, very cold. Ugh! The wall is extremely ecstatic. Eccentric. Exotic. Fuck. Damn it. Yeah, no, I know how to use it. I know how to use it. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I know how to use it. Stop telling me I know how to use it. I know. I've played this game before. Yeah, fuck. Alright, let's go! Yeah! Let's chop down some trees. Actually give... Yep! Oh, yeah! Destroy those motherfucking trees! Yeah! The tree fell at the same time the Kindle did. Oh yeah, I get a message. Can I get to the... Alright, hold on. Oh, there we go. Hold on, I just got a notification from one of my friends on Facebook. DJ, you can stop being a little fucking asshole. But yeah, the tree fell at the exact same time that my Kindle fell. Fucking hilarious. Nope! Run! Oh, you can't beat those motherfuckers. I don't give a damn. Yeah, money! I need money! Give me that money! Yeah! Yeah, give me that money. I wanna get paid. I wanna get paid, bitches. Is that even a thing? I don't know. Blue bookcases, who gives a fuck? Prism. I'll show you a prism. Fucking ultra prism power. While I'm here. Who cares anymore? But don't. Fuck it. Nope, nope, nope. Use the axe, Luke. The fuck? Three fucking hits and it's down. It's dead. It's a dead tree. Fluttershy, you better run. I'm trying to sleep, brother. Yeah, well, I'm trying to cut down trees because I can. Lazy brother. You're lazy. Fluttershy is not to tell you. She's crazier than a bag of cheese puffs. Just keep mashing that A button. Mash the A button like a pro. What the? I completely missed. Hiya! And yeah, oh yeah, and you want some of this too? Oh, how about you? You want this? Well, too bad for you! Ha ha ha! Destroying trees is what I do best. Oh yeah, motherfuckers! Ha ha ha! Destroying trees. Get back here, no. I didn't even turn the TV off by myself. Something's wrong with TV in general. And this is a really old TV, by the way, so maybe I should start using my other TV. I don't know. Actually, I have 3 TVs. This one, the one I use for my PS3, and the one I use for my other Wii, and other shit. You know, I don't know. I have so many TVs, all of which are not HDMI compatible, unless I have some sort of converter. Fuck. I have to buy a converter, because HDMI is actually better than anything else. Now, this is pretty good, actually. It's not HDMI, but it's fucking awesome. You know, look at the TV and shit. However, HDMI might actually improve the overall look of the system. Yeah, I don't give a damn! Ugh. I know I'm being gambler here. Oh, yay! Fossil, bitch! I don't care anymore. You call that simple? Stick it down. Stick it up my ass. Stick it up my ass. You motherfucker. The fuck am I even saying? The fuck am I even doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't even care anymore. Because giving a fuck is something I do not do. Because giving a fuck is dangerous. I have come to the conclusion that giving a fuck is dangerous. Extremely dangerous. Never give a fuck unless you absolutely, most positively, most surely have to. Giving a fuck is something that needs to not be done. Unless, like I said, it's absolutely needed. I'll make a whole video on giving a fuck. Eventually. I have so many videos I need to get done. So many goddamn motherfucking videos. I have so many videos I need to fucking get done, I tell you what. I did not press the button. Yeah! Fossil. I look like a fucking idiot with my eye all swollen. God damn it. Fuck damn it. Stupid bees, I'll kick your ass. I'll kick your motherfucking ass. I'll make your ass fucking kick to New Jersey. Fuck you. And fuck you. And fuck you. And fuck you. And triple mother. Fuck you. fuck everything. Who gives a damn? So you got a tree. Yeah, you pluck that thing like a fucking asshole. You pluck that thing like an asshole, and trees come out. Trees coming out. But so what am I doing in my life? I don't know. Where am I? Where am I? No one knows what the fuck I am. No one really cares where I am. It's not like I really have to carry there. Oh, it's a goat. Hello, goats. Speaking of goats, I should make a goat simulator video, but I don't really feel like doing that. There are days when I feel like doing absolutely nothing except sleeping. I should probably sleep more. Sleep more, make less videos. And by less videos, I mean like probably no videos at all. But the weather is becoming pretty bad around here, so I don't know. I love making videos, don't get me wrong. I can make videos all damn day. The problem is the motherfucking weather. Dropping down, I think they said like 5 degrees tonight. And a house that has basically no heating. My room, yeah, has heating. But it doesn't have that much heating. No! No! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck-a-chew. Pikachu's final fucking evolution. What am I doing in my life? I have no clue. I am losing my fucking shit. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my goddamn everything. No. You know, there is absolutely nothing really to do here. Except look at the snow. And think of all the cold shit that's going on in this goddamn house. Fuck. Celestia, damn it. I should not be playing this game in the winter. Because it's making me a little bit colder. I need to go back downstairs to where the heater is in the bathroom. And stay there for a couple hours. Maybe I'll bring Fluttershy, I don't know. Yeah! Open the door, bitch! How can I help you? You can't help me! I'm losing my mind here, people. Yeah! Mail people! The coolest people ever. You get mail in the fucking mailbox. And cats come out. Be right. Ass fuck. Titty fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna be an asshole. Titty fuck ass vagina. From Flutters. Wait, can I change that? Mother's cock. You just somebody trying to stuff that letter in your vagina. I'm high. I swear I must be high. I don't know. Anyways, guys, before I fucking do nothing productive with my life, I'm already doing nothing productive with my life. But if I do something, I don't know what. I'm gonna leave a video here. If you guys and gals like this video, then fart on the cat. I don't know. Yee! Hey, I will see you people. Well, I'm saving the memory card. I sent you a fucking letter, asshole. I sent you a motherfucking letter. Yeah, fucking better get it. You better fucking get it. Nintendo up your ass. And as always, I will see you all in the next video or day. Did my Wii just do something weird? No, it didn't. I actually turned it off. That means it's weird. Peace out, people. Bro.